Setting your preferences for the CATIA 3D experience, drafting workbench. First, select by your initial and select preferences. Find app preferences, open up 3D modeling, open up mechanical systems, slide down and find drafting. Open up drawing. In America, you change it to ISO ASME standards or ANSI and ASME standards. If you're doing a drawing in inches, that's imperial standards. If you're drawing in metric, it's ISO standards. Slide down and select the general. Change a millimeter to inches. Change your reference size to 1875. Open up display. All of these should be turned on as these. Open up view. Generate pattern. Hidden lines. Axes should be set as your default. And I turn off fillets. Slide down. Open up generation. These may be toggled on. You don't want them on. If you turn it on, it won't update the dimensions automatically. It's confusing because if you turn it on, it disables update. It seems like this should not say disable. I will click these to turn them on. Again, turning these on turns off the automatic update. So I don't want to automatic update off. This is a common problem. Make sure that automatic update is on by not turning these active. You can see there's lots to change. I'm going over the primary ones. I like to set my primary spacing to 1/4 inch increments, just like I do in my sketch. Smart pick, these should be turned on. I'm going to make these, actually I just leave them, it doesn't really matter for that. These should all be the same defaults. Default offset to reference for length. These are set to 0. Offset between dimensions for length. So for stack dimensioning, the offset between each one is 3/8. And everywhere else you can type 3 divided by 8. This one, some of these dimension ones, they won't let you type in anything. This is fine. This is 1/2 inch. That's your reference. Is that the one? I'm going to leave that as a 0. Handles, I just leave these at the defaults. I'll just change that to 1/4 inch. As a new user, under modification, all of these will be checked on. When you get more experience, you can turn these on so you can do them on the fly. But for new users, this is a lot of information comes up and can be kind of confusing. I'll leave all of these on. And I believe the rest of the defaults should be okay. Last one, we're going to change this to ANSI ASME. Make sure to hit apply and OK just to hopefully get that to stick. Okay, so that's step 1 to set up your dimensioning. Your preferences all got to be set first. You may have difficulties with any dimensions after the fact, so set up your preferences first. Next step, we'll do a length dimension.